Thursday, Friday Eve, Friday Junior, whatever you call it. It's Thursday, and I'm so glad about it. One more day to the end of the week. Y'all, so the other weekend I got out there and I used that wet and forget. And I'm going to show y'all how it's eating that algae up out the house. I live in Louisiana and I got like a body of water behind the house. And so that kind of algae, that's what they call it, it settles there on the brick. And I want to show y'all how that wet and forget has just about, it doesn't work right away. You spray it and over time it evaporates. I guess it eats through to the root or whatever. Y'all like my hair? I put in some flexi rods last night and that vigorous all or whatever. It's a mousse. Check this out. It's a mousse, but it foams up real thick, but it's not sticky. Like you could comb through your hair. I like it. I bet you it'll do good for you natural hair, ladies. I bet you it will do really, really well. I'm going to show it to y'all. I'm going to put a picture of it in this video. When I tell y'all I like the way it does my hair, I put it in the flexi rods. Yeah, I like it. I do. I like to have my hair big because my head big. But anyway. How's everybody doing? Welcome all my new subscribers. I'm not going to be on long. I just want to stop by and say hi. And I want to tell y'all about... First was about how I liked my hair and the product I want to share with the product I use. Oh, I know. I'm headed over to Rose's. Rose's, I was in there. I took my brother. He had wanted to get some things from the Family Dollar. Well, the Dollar General. I get them two mixed up. And I told myself, let's go to Rose's because I wanted to go to Rose's to look and see what they had, you know, like holiday decor. But they didn't have very much. The only thing I bought was a tablecloth to go on the table I have on my back patio, but it wasn't even big enough. The table is rectangle and it was round. I went ahead and stuck it on there, but I need to get me another one. And I didn't take it back because it was just $3. I didn't even want the hassle. But I could have taken it back while I was going there today. But anyway, while I was there, I was looking. They had some chicken seasoning. It was by, I think, Flavor Mates. And I'm thinking, I'm like, they probably trying to imitate the Grill Mates. But y'all, man, that chicken season, I baked chicken. Well, no, I made that butter chicken in the oven Sunday. My mom used to fix it on the stove, but y'all know I like my Indian meats I fix with gravy to go over rice. I like, the only thing I do on the stove is smother liver. I've never done liver in the oven, but everything else I love it in the oven. But anyway, y'all, I got that Flavor Mace chicken seasoning, and when I tell y'all that stuff is good, so we cooking for a funeral Saturday, and so I'm getting ready to go over to Rose's to see. Is this the street here? Or is it the next thing? I'm going over to Rose's to see if they have any more. I'm gonna just buy it myself because I like the way it makes the chicken taste. And we going tonight to clean and season chicken when I get out of work tonight. I get out of work at 4:30, so we're gonna go over there. I guess we'll be there about an hour cleaning chicken. But yeah, we like getting in the kitchen cooking. We be having fun talking about things, our family, our kids, stuff on the job. We just be chatting it up and stuff, man. And I miss that because y'all know I don't really mingle too much, too tough after my mom died. It kind of, like I said, I probably need to get some kind of counseling or whatever because anyway, but that's all I want to tell y'all. So when y'all know when I find something good, I tell y'all about it. Sometimes I be telling people about stuff that I go back, I can't find it. I be like, I ain't telling nobody else nothing, but you know, can't be selfish in this world. The more I help somebody else, the more the Lord bless me. And that is no lie. Like the young girl said, that's on period. All right, y'all.
Oh no, I gave my heart away. Went a bit too far.